Yes, you can still download some of the iconic and original Angry Birds games on the App Store in 2024. It's gonna be a bit more of a discussion video and also a how-to, obviously. But stick around because I'm also gonna talk about how you can also get these on iOS and just a few things that you're gonna need to know about the future. If you watched my last video on this, you know that when searching on Amazon, I got the thought of searching up and looking for Angry Birds, and eventually I scrolled deep enough into the catalog, I guess, of Amazon to find some Angry Birds games, and I tried them out, downloaded them onto my device, and it worked perfectly. Okay, perfect. So if you already have the game installed, you already watched the last video, you can skip to this timestamp on screen now, but if you want to know how to install it, watch from now, and if you don't, make sure you skip towards the timestamp on screen now because it's actually really important after this. Okay, small bit of a story time for today. So I was scrolling through Amazon, scrolling away my life, just not on TikTok anyways. And I was looking for some useless things to waste my money on. And I go to the search bar and I just search up random things, tech gadgets, wallpaper art, whatever came to my mind. And I ended up searching up Angry Birds because why wouldn't I? And I was scrolling and scrolling on my phone and I found a listing for Angry Birds Go. And I was like, wait, why would that still be up on Amazon? This is where you go to buy stuff. So then the first thing I do is I go over to my computer. So obviously I come to my computer and I load up Amazon. I search up Angry Birds like I did right here. And I'm scrolling down, looking for Angry Birds that I saw. And I saw, wait, there's Angry Birds Space. Keep scrolling. Angry Birds Season. So I go, okay, let's go to page 2. Angry Birds Transformer. Angry Birds Epic. I'm like, hold on, I need to check this out. So I click into a link and I'm like, okay, this is the listing, looks by Rovio. Scroll down to the reviews because this is where you can see if people have installed it. And I see people reviewing it on the 20th of July and it is the 1st of September on the time of recording, and this game has been removed for 5 years. So how are these people installing this? Okay, because the closest thing I have in my household is to an Android is BlueStacks, the emulator for a PC. And I install the App Store, go to Google, simply install it, and I click on and I search up Angry Birds just to see. And as you can see, more than half of the games that are the most played games are here, even Space, Epic, and Go. So let's try this out. Download it. Everything goes as planned. It says it's downloading. I'm like, okay, let's talk about this. Install. Make sure it installs to the device. Wait for it to finish up, and it's all good to go. Press open, and it runs like normal. Let's just allow all this. And it loads up, and it's not going to give us any of the issues that a lot of the APKs and other issues that they have nowadays. Since you're all caught up now, before we talk about the iOS downloading some of these games, there is some things I want to talk about the original video that I was talking about, and a lot of people had some issues downloading the game or it just wasn't showing up on the Amazon. And the only reason, I tried out a couple of ways on how to do this and what was happening, and every time I tried, it showed up for me. So the only concept in my head where it's not working for some of you is probably it's region locked, maybe just like some of the app stores. If you remember iOS, you can change it to the Zimbabwe and you could download the game. But the only way I'm thinking of this is maybe it's your region, because Amazon has a couple of the locations that you have Amazon.co.uk, you have Amazon.com, all these different places that Amazon is slightly different, but it might be slightly region locked. So maybe try out moving it to Amazon.co.uk. That's the one I'm on. So if you're using that, obviously it's going to show up because that's what I use and I know I can verify that. But if you're not, if you're in .com or any of these other ones like in France or Germany, any of those ones, make sure you just switch it to .co.uk that if it's not showing up, and it should fix it. I have seen some people say that like the game just wasn't working for them. I got no solutions for y'all. So yeah, you're gonna have to figure that one out by yourself. I got no ideas on what's wrong, software or something. And I know some people out there want me to gatekeep this and just let it not be known publicly, but I don't think Rovio will ever see this, because realistically, if they were on YouTube, they would see a lot of tips, ideas, and things that they need to improve, and maybe they'd implement one of these. But I don't think there's a single chance of them ever seeing this, honestly. The only reason I think they fixed the Zimbabwe thing was probably it was a universal like button you press to take it off all stores, and then they just did that, but did it properly. That's the only. I honestly don't think that them seeing this or hearing about this will make them remove it from the app stores. I think it's just going to be fine until they remove all of them. Eventually, it's going to happen sooner or later. The games have been delisted from every other thing, and it's probably costing them some type of money to keep it up in the app store. So not being a buzzkill, but there's sometimes you have to understand that their businesses at the end of the day, they want to make money. It's just how the world is. Look, if you don't want them to get rid of it, just download the games, and then you can permanently go back and download them whenever you want. So just in your purchase history, so you can always download them. It's not going to cost money, but it's going to be in your purchase history. It's going to be free. So why not just grab it now? And if you don't have the storage, just delete it. It'll be in your catalog. You can just download it whenever you want, so you never have to worry about this again, like me. Also, I've seen a lot of people talking about just using APK. Yeah, that's a great thing, but I see some difficulties with APKs. When back in the day when I had an Android, I don't have Android no more, but back when I had an Android, APKs were the only thing I was installing. And where I fell flat on my face was when I downloaded an APK from a bad website. It was infested with viruses. I'm not saying every APK website has that. APPSTORE was my go-to, but one of the days I switched it up and got one and it was infested with a virus. That phone is now, I don't even know where. It's probably in a landfill somewhere, just picking up dust and dirt and rats and everything. There is consequences of viruses to APKs. That's the only negative I can think about APKs. Other than that, I think they're fine. I just don't think a lot of people trust them, honestly. When it says, do you trust this? It's really sketchy. So it's kind of, you use it at your own risk. But when you're downloading it from App Store, you know it's going to be safe. A bit more of a story time now. If some of you won't realize, but back maybe 2 weeks ago, I uploaded a video on how to install every single Angry Birds game ever on any platform, iOS, PC, Android, Linux, anything, everything. There's about 63 people that saw it before YouTube came and shut it down. I found out how to get Angry Birds Epic again. I shared it with everybody, but YouTube took it down for, I can't remember the reason. I think it was harassment, if off the head. Don't quote me on that. Can't remember. But it was taken down, and I asked for it to be appealed, and YouTube said nah. So I won't be able to post that video again here. I am thinking of maybe posting it to the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, yeah, we do have a APPSTORE Discord. It's gonna be linked below and also on screen. So go join that. I might post it there, and if not, I have some plans to get this up and running so that you can do this. But a lot of these plans for the masses to get Angry Birds Epic once again on iOS, because I know a lot of people out there just haven't gotten it, especially for some older videos. I don't like a lot of my older videos, my takedown, but that's a different question. But my older videos are, I talk about Angry Birds, how to get it on iOS, where you change the App Store and whatnot. A lot of people didn't get it on time, so they just can't access it on iOS and they want to play it legitly. So for these players, I have two Apple IDs. Both of them have Angry Birds Epic on the Apple ID that you can use and download whenever. I used it on my iPad, everything, basically everything I have it on, I can use it. So obviously one of them I don't use anymore. So what my plan is to set up some type of way that my subscribers and people that follow my YouTube channel can get it, because I don't want to just give it to the masses, because Apple does lock iTunes. I'm pretty sure it's called the iTunes gets locked, and then I'll have to verify it and then go through like a week process to get it unlocked, and then it's instantly going to get locked again because there are people signing in. So for now, I have tried with a few people, some of my friends, and we have successfully at once got 10 people signed in, and then start asking for verification and all those issues. So once I get past this, I'm going to publish it. And for now, just keep up to date in my community tab. Also, I might around 5,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, press subscribe. Hopefully, everything should be set up properly for some type of system that we can get all of you using that Apple ID that doesn't have it, can have it from this. And I think it would be great, but don't quote me on that deadline. It might take longer than that. That's the aim for now, though. But for sure, I'm working on methods that some of us can on iOS get this. I think this is the closest and best way that we're going to get to ever getting Angry Birds Epic or any of the other games. I think one of them doesn't have all the games. I think one of them, the one that I'm going to give out to you, doesn't have Angry Birds Go. So if you want that, I'm sorry, you're going to have to figure out a way for yourself on that one. But if you like what you're hearing, make sure to subscribe, stick around, join the Discord, and yeah, that's everything. I'll see you guys in the next one.